Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Recently went to San Diego for work as well as some vacation days, and I took my mom along with me because she never gets to travel with me for work. So I recorded a bunch for you guys, but I really just wanted to live in the moment. So there's not really much footage of me like talking to the camera, but there is a ton of footage of what I got up to, and yeah, I did some really cool stuff. So yeah, let's get right into this video.
Yo no veía nada ahí, ahí no se ve nada. Ya. Vamos a California. Vamos a Los Ángeles.
So we just stopped at a crepe place and they have vegan options. So we got the peanut butter, banana, chocolate chip, and chocolate syrup. And the crepe is vegan, and they also make it on a different, I don't know, pan, I guess. Oh well.
Una pelota de peanut butter con banana y...
I can't wait no more. Sick of trying, that's why I'm always smiling, cause I complicate my goal. So surrender is why I remember it's the simple things in life. Either it does or doesn't feel right. It's the simple things in life. Come on baby, let's ride.
Recording? Ooh. Oh, Jeremy. Woohoo!
It's the simple things in life you forget.
We are going to undo the damage that Trump had caused and bring our nation back together again.
Alright, that brings us to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know this one was like a different kind of vlog than what I normally do. San Diego is great. California is always great. I love visiting California. I got to spend a lot of time with my mom. Now that I'm like more grown up, life is like a little bit more fun to hang out with each other. It's like now we can drink wine together. And also all the yummy food that I got to eat in California. Like if you're interested in that, be sure to check out the video right after this one. It's gonna be all the food that I ate in San Diego. I love doing that for you guys. And yeah, I hope this inspired you to like travel. Enjoy time by yourself, enjoy time with your loved ones, turn off your phone, ignore social media, and just see the world, because the world is beautiful. Alright, I'm gonna go finish editing this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and be sure to follow me on all my social medias. Hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already. Join the family, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye.